hanging out, pigging, eating, drinking, living it up with my guy Nick. Whenever he finishes, we got an important question to ask Nick, okay? Nick, one of the number one things you've learned about money is go.
Residual, baby. Recurring every single day, every single month. While we're here right now, we're earning recurring residual passive income, guys. If you haven't got a residual income stream yet, go get your hands on one. Don't carry around that cash. Just go get a residual income stream. Start your own business, guys. I swear, that's the advice.
There we go. And there we have it. I did not know what residual income was until I started my own business, right? And I remember a crazy guy named Robert Kiyosaki says, if you don't learn how to make money in your sleep, you're gonna work for the rest of your life. I did not want to work for the rest of my life. And being a financial advisor, I started to see what the numbers look like. I started to see the pattern. And I'm like, okay, if I know here are the numbers of, here are the statistics on where people fall in line, then I had clients and I saw the clients who had the 9% type income. When I say 9%, when you retire, you can spend $65,000 or more a year. Only 9% about every 100 people can do that. So I started to really break down that and say, well, why is it only 9? What is it that the 9 people did? What is so good about that? And I started to learn residual income, multiple sources of income, all that kind of crazy stuff. And then I just obsessed with learning it and applying what I learned. And all of a sudden, it turned into this. New friendships, new faces, a whole life, and a lot of vacations. Let's get it.